Friends, my name is Shidvilas. Today's topic is I ordered recently science experiment kit 150 experiments. We will do first manual, first experiment. It fell down. First experiment, volcano experiment. Add 10 ml of water to the test tube. This is test tube. We will add some water. 10 ml of water. Now add 3 drops of red food color to the water. This is red food color. Red color. We will add 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. Now we should mix. Now add 1 spoon of baking soda to the solution. This is one solution. See friends, red color. Now we will add baking soda. This is baking soda. Now we will add into water. 1 spoon. One spoon, that all we added. Now stir the solution using wood stirrers. This is wood. We will stir. We will mix with baking soda. See friends, it mixed. It mixed well. Down some powder. We will mix that is also. Now add 20 ml of cooking oil to the test tube. This is oil. We will add 20 ml. See friends, we added the oil. Now add 1 spoon of citric acid to the test tube. We will add citric acid to the test tube. Now this is citric acid. 1 spoon of citric acid to the test tube. 1 spoon. This is citric acid. See friends, volcano eruption. It getting more. See friends. Some sound also getting. The volcano eruption. We will mix. Getting more sound. It is volcano eruption. See friends, some bubbles going up. See, oil are settled down, the bubbles are going up. It is volcano eruption. Thank you friends for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.